Welcome to Quizvibe. Get ready to test your knowledge with our 35-question on birds trivia quizzes. Let's go. What is the largest living bird? An ostrich, an eagle, or a swan? An ostrich. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A parrot, a crow, or a pigeon? A parrot. What is the national bird of the United States? A bald eagle, a blue jay, or an American robin? Bald eagle. Which bird is famous for its long migration journey, often spanning continents? Arctic tern. What is the smallest bird in the world? A robin, a hummingbird, or a finch? A hummingbird. Which bird is associated with delivering babies in folklore? A stork, a pelican, or a heron? A stork. What is the largest flying bird? A condor, an albatross, or an eagle? An albatross. Which bird is known for its colorful long feathers and elaborate courtship dances? It's a peacock. Which bird is a symbol of wisdom in many cultures? An owl, a hawk, or a falcon? An owl. What is the fastest bird in level flight? A peregrine falcon, a swift, or a sparrow? A peregrine falcon. What is the common name for a group of crows? Flock, murder, or colony? Murder. Which bird is known for its distinctive honking call, often associated with nighttime? A nightingale. What is the official bird of Canada? A puffin, a goose, or a loon? A loon. What is the largest species of penguin? An emperor penguin. Which bird is known for its long, slender neck and distinctive honking sound? A swan. What is the only bird capable of hovering in midair? An eagle, a hummingbird, or a robin? A hummingbird. Which bird is considered a symbol of peace? A hawk, a dove, or a pigeon? A dove. What is the world's heaviest flying bird? An albatross, an Andean condor, or a Cory bustard? An Andean condor. Which bird is known for its distinctive curved bill and flamboyant coloring? A toucan. What is the common name for a group of owls? Parliament, cluster, or troop? It's parliament. Which bird is known for its incredible diving ability, reaching depths of over 300 feet? A gannet. What is the national bird of Australia? A cockatoo, an emu, or a kookaburra? A kookaburra. What is the common name for a group of flamingos? Flamboyance. What is the only bird capable of flying backward? A hummingbird, a sparrow, or a starling? A hummingbird. What is the largest species of parrot? Macaw. Which bird is known for its melodious song and is often kept as a pet in cages? Canary. Which bird is known for its exceptional ability to dive and catch fish underwater? An osprey. What flies between both poles each year, covering 30,000 to 40,000 kilometers? An Arctic tern, a red knot, or a blue crane? An Arctic tern. Which bird lays the largest egg? An ostrich. How long does it take a bird to hatch its egg? 10 10 to 30 days. What is the average heartbeat rate of a bird at rest during the day? 282 per minute. How many heart chambers does a bird possess? 3, 4, or 5? It's 4. Which bird can sleep while flying? An eagle, an albatross, or an owl? An albatross. The largest carnivorous bird is known as an Andean condor. How many weight of chicken eggs is equivalent to an ostrich egg? 24 chicken eggs. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next quiz.